Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best electric scooters that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Razer Pocket Mod Euro Electric Scooter. Just as it looks, this sweet pea-colored electric scooter is pretty impressive. It rides relatively well on smooth, trough, sloppy, and hilly areas. It has one of the powerful motors, yet it's pretty silent. Actually, you will hardly hear it when riding on the streets. The European-styled scooter is ergonomically designed for maximum support and comfort and suits riders of varied ages and weights. 12-inch pneumatic tires for smoother riding. Retractable kickstand for improved operation. Storage compartment beneath the seat for improved storage and convenience. Strong chassis to support riders up to 170 pounds. At number 4. Razer III OOS Seated Electric Scooter. I have seen quite a number of these electric scooters around, and I can say that they are among the top electric scooter with seat for adults. They boast of a super silent but powerful motor that makes the ride more enjoyable. The motor is very torquey and going uphill won't be a problem. Although simple and basic, the twist grip throttle is very precise and reliable. Finally, the battery takes a shorter time to charge but retains the charge for longer. My wife believes that it's the sleekest and coolest scooter on the market. High torque motor for going uphill easily. Chain-driven motor for silent and smooth operation. High-performance motor enables the scooter to reach speeds up to 15 miles per hour. Extra wide 10-inch pneumatic tires for a smoother ride even on bumpy, rough terrains. At number 3. Razer EcoSmart Metro Electric Scooter. One of the key things I was looking for when searching for the best electric scooter with seat for adults was silent performance and efficiency. It's therefore not a surprise that the EcoSmart Metro scooter from Razer is on this list. Apart from analysts, previous and current owners praise its powerful motor and quiet operation. They also say that the battery charges fairly fast and stores the charge for much longer. What I noticed was that the seat was very well made and thickly padded. The tires were fairly large and knobby, and this assured me of a smoother and silent ride. Bamboo deck for sturdiness and lightweight. Powder-coated frame for preventing rust, corrosion and enhancing the looks. 500-watt electric motor for extra power and torque. At number 2. Drive Medical Scout Compact Travel Power Scooter, 3-wheel. While many adult scooters come with 2 wheels, these one features 3. Simply put, it's more stable. I have seen my neighbor dismantle and assemble this unit as if it was a piece of cake. Actually, I think it took only a few minutes. Although it feels light, the sturdy construction can tolerate high weights. It rides smoothly, takes corners well, and is simple to operate. I also love the fact that the sidewalk will never strand me because of a puncture since it comes with flat-free tires. Also, the tires don't leave those annoying and hard-to-clean markings. Interchangeable color panels for easy customization and hiding scratches and scuffs de-scratches. Padded armrests for better support and comfort. And finally at number 1. Travel Pro Premium 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter by Pride. Are you looking for the best value mobility scooter for yourself or a loved one that's easy to transport, without sacrificing quality or maneuverability? Whether you or your loved one needs help getting around the house and shopping or desires the freedom to travel and keep up with the family, this Travel Pro Premium 3-Wheel Mobility Scooter by Pride can easily maneuver around hallways and doorframes and is compact enough for use during travel. Regain your independence. Offering premium quality, you get great maneuverability in tight spaces with a sharp turning radius and smooth drive. This mobility scooter offers the benefits of a high-range travel mobility scooter such as a top speed of 4 miles per hour with a 6.3-mile drive range, flat-free tires, forward, reverse controls, and a weight capacity of a whopping 275 pounds. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.